Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and confirming it's off with a tester, safety first. Once done, remove the lamp and note the bulb type and wattage so replacements match. Next, look into the socket. Check for corrosion, blackened contacts, or loose wiring. If you see damage, stop and shut off power again before touching connectors. Make sure to have a compatible replacement bulb and basic tools, screwdriver, gloves, and a tester, ready before progressing. Now test with a known good bulb to confirm whether the fixture or the bulb is the problem. If the test bulb brightens, the original bulb was defective. If not, clean the contacts and tighten socket screws, then retest. For LED, check the dimmer or driver. Many older dimmers are incompatible and cause dimming or flicker. If uncertainty remains, measure voltage at the socket. Readings significantly below nominal indicate wiring or supply issues that require further repair. Finish by reinstalling the correct bulb and restoring power. Observe the light for a minute or two to ensure it reaches full brightness. Make sure all fixture components are secured and insulated, then dispose of old bulbs properly. If the light remains dim, try bypassing any dimmer or swapping the bulb with a verified compatible one. One key troubleshooting tip: persistent dimming or flicker often points to an incompatible dimmer or a loose neutral connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.